Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Day with me. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video, we are going to explore Shopify email marketing with AI. You will learn how artificial intelligence can help you create better email campaigns, automate your marketing, increase customer engagement, and boost your Shopify sales. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we will start from introduction to the topic. Email marketing is one of the most effective ways to connect with customers and also the increased sales for any Shopify store. It allows businesses to send personalized messages, product updates, special offers, and much more, and order notification directly to the customer inboxes. With the introduction of artificial intelligence, that is AI, email marketing has become even more powerful. AI can automatically generate email content, write engaging subject line, personalize messages based on customer behavior. It determines the best time to send emails and optimize campaign for better result. Instead of spending hours creating and managing email campaign manually, instead of this, Shopify store owner can now automate the entire process while improving customer engagement and also increasing conversions. Now we are going to discuss benefits of AI powered email marketing. AI powered email marketing offers numerous advantages for Shopify businesses. It saves valuable time by automating repetitive tasks such as writing emails, scheduling campaigns, and segmenting customers. AI analyzes customer data to understand shopping behavior and preferences, allowing businesses to send highly personalized email that are more likely to be open and clicked. It also improves email subject line, predict the best sending times, and recommend products that match each customer's interest. So guys, as a result, businesses experience higher open rates, increased sales, stronger customer relationship, and a better return on investment while reducing manual work. Now I will tell you best AI email marketing tools for Shopify. Several AI powered email marketing tools integrate seamlessly with Shopify. Shopify email is the built-in solution that is very simple and beginner friendly for creating campaigns directly within Shopify. Klaviyo use advanced AI to create personalized customer journey, predictive analytics, and automated email flows. Omnisend combine email, SMS, and push notifications with AI automation for multi-channel marketing. MailChimp offers AI-powered content suggestion, audience segmentation, and performance insights. So choosing the right platform depend on your business size, budget, and also the marketing goals. Now it's the time of talk about setting up AI email marketing for your Shopify store. Getting started with AI email marketing is straightforward. First, choose an AI email marketing platform that integrate with Shopify. Connect your Shopify store to the platform so it can access customer and order data securely. Next, build your email list using pop-ups, sign-up forms, and check out subscriptions while ensuring customer give permission to receive emails. Create essential automated workflows such as welcome emails, abundant cart reminders, order confirmation, and post purchase follow up. Customize your branding by adding your logo, color, and store information. Finally, test your automation, monitor campaign performance, and continuously optimize your strategy. Creating high converting AI email campaigns. A successful AI email campaign begin with a compelling subject line that encourage recipient to open the email. AI tools can generate multiple subject line options based on proven marketing techniques. Next, create engaging email content that clearly explain your offer, highlight the product benefits and include attractive visuals. Personalize each email by using the customer's name, purchase history, browsing activity, and the product recommendations. So, guys, finally use AI powered A/B testing to compare different subject line, design, and content variations, allowing the system to identify which version deliver the highest open rates, click-through rates, and conversion. AI automated workflows for Shopify. AI automation workflows allow Shopify store owner to automate repetitive email marketing tasks while delivering a personalized customer experience. Instead of manually sending every email, AI can automatically trigger the messages based on customer actions. Common workflows include welcome email for new subscribers, abandoned cart reminder to recover, lost sales, order confirmations, shipping update, post purchase follow ups, product review request, birthday or anniversary offers, and win back campaign for inactive customers. AI continuously analyzes customer behavior and optimizes these workflows by sending email at the best time, recommending relevant product and adjusting the content for higher engagement. This helps businesses save time, increase efficiency, and generate more sales with minimal manual efforts. Customer segmentation and personalization with AI. Customer segmentation is the process of dividing your audience in the different base group on their behavior, interest, purchase history, location, or demographics. AI make this process much smarter by automatically analyzing customer data and creating highly targeted segments. Instead of sending the email to everyone, AI deliver personalized messages tailored to each customer's preferences. Measuring the performance of your email campaign is essential for continuous improvement. AI provide detailed analytics that help you understand what is working and what needs improvement. Important metrics include open rate, which measure how many people open your email, click-through rate, which shows how many click your links, conversion rate, which track completed purchases, unsubscribe rate, bounce rate, and overall revenue generated from email campaigns. AI also perform predictive analysis and A/B testing by comparing different subject lines, email designs. Based on the collected data, artificial intelligence AI automatically recommend improvement that help businesses achieve better engagement, higher sales, and a stronger return on investment. So guys, now I will tell you which common mistakes to avoid and best practices. While artificial intelligence AI simplifies email marketing, there are still common mistakes that businesses should avoid. Sending the too many emails can annoy customers and increase unsubscribe rates. Ignoring personalization, using misleading subject lines, sending irrelevant offers, or also failing to clean inactive email list can reduce campaign performance. Businesses should always obtain customer consent before sending promotional emails and follows the email marketing regulations. Now it's a time of conclude the topic. AI powered email marketing is transforming the way Shopify businesses connect with customers by using AI tools for automation, personalization, and performance tracking. Store owners can save time, increase engagement, and boost sales. Start with the right AI tool, optimize your campaign regularly, and let AI help you grow your Shopify business more efficiently. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe today with me. for more tag and Shopify content. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Take care guys. Bye bye.